Okay folks, this is my RV roof before anything. See, it's a rubber roof, pretty rough shape. Got a bunch of patches there I'm working on. Along the edges I'll let go and I put some tape on there. I'm going to be removing that up along the bedroom, all on the front edge. Turn. And I even sprayed it. The brown stuff is a spray I used to try to seal it, but it didn't quite adhere very well. So, anyways, that's the roof. I will take some more pictures once I get it changed. Alright folks, here we are again. This is the final. I was able to get 5 coats on this with the amount of product I have left, or had left. And as you can see, I wasn't too careful. As long as it don't leak, that's all that matters to me. And looks like it turned out pretty good. You can see some of the patches. I'm sure a few more coats would build it up more. And that's pretty much that. Got a few more covers to go back on. And I think we should be in business. Alright, I guess that's about it. If I have any tips for you, I guess it'd be to watch for the sides. Make sure you get lots of product in behind so it sticks better. Take your time on the sides. It's harder to get it to stick. Alright, thanks for watching.